AT Names Patna, mentored by Dr. Soni Sinha, and please start.
Good afternoon, class. Today we will going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is target IOP. So class, here is few clinical scenarios in which we can see there is similar IOP but different glaucomatous presentation. So in this class we will be going to discuss how to calculate target IOP for these cases. So first of all we will discuss what is target IOP. It is a range of IOP which is required to stop the progression of glaucomatous damage. And one should be very clear that normal IOP is not equivalent to target IOP. For calculating target IOP, you should calculate first baseline IOP. What is baseline IOP? Can anyone tell me? It is an average of at least 3 measurements taken at different time of the day. Okay, now you can see this image. This is very self-explanatory image. What it shows, to achieve a target, the approach should be individualized for the ones. So it depends upon life expectancy, rate of progression, baseline IOP and glaucomatous damage. There are various other factors which also determine target IOP. We will discuss it later. In previous slide, we already discussed how should we determine target IOP. So for patient with high life expectancy, low baseline IOP, high glaucomatous damage, higher rate of progression, we should set lower target IOP and the vice versa for the same. We had already discussed that factors which are affecting target IOP. Now we will going to discuss the methods to calculate target IOP. There are 3 main methods which are required to calculate target IOP. That is absolute or threshold cutoff value, percentage reduction and the formula based values. For absolute threshold value, it is relatively a cutoff values which are determined by population based study and it depends upon the stage of the glaucoma. Stage is very important in this threshold cutoff value. For mild glaucoma, it is less than 18, for moderate, it is less than 15, and for severe, it is less than 12. For percentage reduction, baseline IOP is required, and for this percentage reduction calculation, various studies have been used to determine. For mild and moderate glaucoma, it is less than 20 to 30%, for advanced, less than 40%, and for normal tension glaucoma, it is less than 30%, and ocular hypertension, it is less than 20%. And the formula based value, you can see the formula here, it is usually based on initial IOP. We had discussed the factors and methods now. Now are you all ready for calculation of target IOP for few clinical scenarios?
Yes, madam.
In group A, in our first case, you can see that is 80-year-old male and the presentation you can see that is mild glaucoma. What is the target IOP for this case? Yes, it is less than 17 mmHg, you are right. And for the second case, it is 60-year-old male with an IOP greater than 25 and the findings show severe glaucoma. What will be the target IOP for this case? Yes, it is less than 12 mmHg. For third case, as you know, the age of this patient is 18 years and it is a young male. And age is the important factor for determining the target IOP. So, mild to moderate cases for this case is, target IOP is less than 15. This is our fourth case with a 60-year-old male with raised IOP but normal disc finding and visual field finding. It shows it is a case of ocular hypertension. What is the target IOP for this case? It is less than 18. Yes. Now you all had learned how to calculate target IOP. Now what you had learned for this class? This is the range of IOP which is used to stop the progression of glaucoma. It is various factors are responsible for calculating target IOP and management depends upon various factors.
You can.
Next team is KF ring, so please be ready.
So you are on target anyway, but when do we actually change the target IOP? After a what time interval?
Sir, we usually have to routinely check up the patient. If patient is not stable on the previously target IOP, we have to change as early as possible.
Stable means what? Stable on what?
It's stable on drugs or medication or surgery, by whichever procedure.
No, what is stable on what? On this IOP range? Stable on what?
Stable on, we used to see disc findings, visual field findings and
visual field findings.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you got stable fields, then you keep the same IOP.
Yes, sir.
So if the visual fields are deteriorating, you
We
lower
should
it or?
We should switch the drug or substitute the drug IOP.
reset the target IOP.
Yes, sir. Yes,